So let us see question number 15. Now in question number 15, look into your book, page number 59. What is the question given? In an equilateral triangle ABC, D is a point on side BC such that BD is equals to 1/3 of BC. Prove that 9AD square is equals to 7AB square. Okay, so first let us draw. So it is given ABC is an equilateral triangle where all the sides are equal. A, B, C. Then it is given that D is a point on BC. Now it is not given that D is a midpoint. It is given D is a point on BC. So we take anywhere a point D and we join the line here. Right? Now let us start. In triangle ABC, since it is an equilateral triangle, what is there? We have E is the midpoint. We are assuming E to be the midpoint since midpoint is not given to us. E is the midpoint of BC. So here I take point E as the midpoint and this is point E. Right? Now AB, since it is an equilateral triangle, AB is equal to AC is equal to BC is equal to X. Right? Now next is we take BC. BC is divided into two parts, right? BE and EC. So BE is equal to EC is equal to X by 2. Right? Next we have BD. Right? Now BD given to us is 1/3 of BC. This is already given to us. Right? This is already given to us. So now DE that is this part. Okay? DE is equal to how much? BE minus BD. We are taking out this part. So if we have to take out this part, we have to minus this from this part from this part. Then we will get DE. Right? Then what is the value? Let us put the value. What is the value of BE? BE value is X by 2 and BD value is how much? BD value is 1 by 3 BC. BC is how much? X. Right? So we can also write it as X by 2 minus X by 3. Right? So when we solve it, how much do we get here? When we solve it, we are getting LCM is 6, 3 to the 6 and here we get 2 3 the 6, so here 3x and 3 to the 6, so here 2x. So what is your answer? Your answer is X by 6. Right? So X by 6 is the value of DE. Right? Next, we consider triangle AEC. We are taking this triangle AEC. In AEC, angle E is E equals to 90 degree. Right? Angle E is equal to 90 degree. Now, we will use the Pythagoras theorem. What it is? AC square plus AC square is equals to AE square plus EC square. Right? How did we get it? By Pythagoras theorem. Right? Next, we have to put the value, but before that we have to find out AE square, right? So AE square will be AC square minus EC square. Right? AC square minus EC square. Now we have already find out the value of AC. AC is how much? See here. AC is X. Right? So X square minus, we have to find out EC. EC is how much? X by 2. X by 2 whole square. So when we solve it, how much it will come? It will come X square minus X square by 4. Right? Further when we solve it, LCM will be 4. So 4 X square minus X square. How much it is? It is 3x square by 4. Right? So this is the value of AE square. Right? Now we consider triangle ADE. The small triangle we will be taking into consideration. Right? So taking into consideration in triangle ADE, that means the small triangle ADE, here also angle E is 90 degree. Angle E equals to 90 degree. Right? Now, since angle AE is equal to 90 degree, now again we will be using the Pythagoras theorem. AD square is equal to AE square plus DE square. How? By Pythagoras theorem. Right? Okay. So now we will be solving it. So how are we going to do it? We have the value of AE. How much is the value of AE? 3x square by 4. And the value of DE, previously we have found out it was x by 6. Okay, x by 6, this is whole square. Right? So now, how much are we going to find out? We have to find out the value of 3x square by 4 plus x by 36. Right? Now this is AD square for us. Now AD square will be equal to, find out the LCM. How much is the LCM? The LCM will be 36. Okay. So 4 9s are 30, 36. 9 into 3 is 27 x square. Right? Plus 36 1s are 36. So it will be x square. Right? So what is the value? The value is 28x square by 36. Right? So we can further simplify it. Right? So 2 1s are 2, 2 4s are 8. So 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. So 2 7s are 14, 2 9s are 18. So how much we got? We got 7x square by 9. Right? So now AD square is 7x square by 9. So when we cross multiply, it is 9 AD square is equal to 7x square. Right? Since AB is equal to x. Earlier we have taken AB as x, right? So AB is equal to x. So since AB is equal to x, so 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Right? So this is what is asked for you to prove. Next we come to question number 16.